So we're working on 12f now. This time my message was encoded using an affine cipher that multiplied by 5, then added 3. So I have to undo what I did. So to undo multiplication by 5 followed by adding 3, I should start by subtracting 3. So first I'll change these to numbers. H is 7, V is 21, A is 0, M is 12, X is 23, and K is 10. Now, so to undo what I did, the first step I need to do is subtract 3. So subtract 3 from each one of these. It does help to have a grid sometimes. 7 minus 3 is 4, 21 minus 3 is 18, 0 minus 3 is negative 3, 12 minus 3 is 9, 23 minus 3 is 20, and 10 minus 3 is 7. Alright, so I subtracted 3. Now I have to undo the multiplication by 5. And to undo that, in normal arithmetic I would divide by 5, but this is modular arithmetic, so there's no such thing as division. And I was given a hint here that says the multiplicative inverse of 5 in mod 26 is 21. So multiplying by 5 and multiplying by 21 are inverses. They undo each other. So in my next step, I'm going to multiply all of my numbers by 21. So I have 4 times 21 is 84. 18 times 21 is 378. Negative 3 times 21 is negative 63. 9 times 21 is 189. 20 times 21 is 420. And 7 times 21 is 147. Now, none of these numbers are the appropriate size. So what I'm going to do is either add or subtract 26 as necessary till I get a number that's between 0 and 25. So 84, subtract 26, still too big, still too big, subtract it again, and I get 6. 378, just subtract 26 over and over. And we finally get 14. Now negative 63 is too small, so I'm going to have to add 26 until I get a number between 0 and 25. And I get 15. And then 189 is too big, so I'm going to keep subtracting 26. And I get 7. 420, I'm going to subtract 26. And I get 4. And then 147, just keep subtracting 26, and we get 17. Now change each of these back to letters. 6 is the letter G, 14 is the letter O, 15 is the letter P, 7 is the letter H, 4 is the letter E, and 17 is the letter R. So I get the word gopher. So one question you may have is, how did we come up with the 21, the 5, and the 21 being multiplicative inverses in mod 26? So 5 and 21 are multiplicative inverses. So we used multiplication by 21 to undo multiplication by 5. So I'll show you how we get that on the next slide. So to find the multiplicative inverse of 5 in mod 26, I'm looking for 5 times what gives me 1. Or any number equivalent to 1 in mod 26 arithmetic. So mod 26 only has the numbers 0 to 25. So 26 is equivalent to 0, 27 is equivalent to 1. And you can get numbers equivalent to 1 just by adding 26. 27 plus 26 is 53. Plus 26 is 79. Plus 26 is 105. Now I'm looking for a number. One of these numbers should be divisible by 5. Eventually I'll hit one. And this 105 is divisible by 5. So I can figure out 5 times what would give me 105 by dividing 105 by 5, and I get 21. So because 5 times 21 is a number that's equivalent to 1, then multiplying by 5 followed by multiplying by 21 is like doing nothing at all. It's like multiplying by 1. So that is how you find the multiplicative inverse in Mod 26.